Are you in middle of nowhere and have flat tire? You're stuck. Gas station too far and need air pumps. And waiting for help is not an option. This is the Eaton Wolf portable air pump. Attach it, press one button, and it inflates your tire automatically. Car, bike done in minutes. Massive 19,200 milliamp hours battery. Type-C fast charging with 45W power delivery. You can charge your phone from it. Compact, cordless, and super powerful. Digital display for precise pressure control. No stress. No waiting. Just instant power anywhere. Keep one in your car, you'll thank yourself later.
Get yours now.
Scan the QR code or find the link in video description.